Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to sign up for Remitly. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the Remitly application from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the app yet, make sure you do first. Once you come across this interface, to create a new account, tap on Create a New Profile button. Select your country from the top of the screen by tapping on the little drop down and then select the country where you would want to send the money to from the platform. Now, tap on the Next button. Enter an email address and create a password for your profile. Start off by typing in a valid email. Now, create a minimum 8 characters long password and tap on Join Remitly. Allow necessary permissions for the application that you would want to receive, and then you have now successfully created a new account for Remitly. You can now complete your profile by going to your profile option and enter the rest of the information in order to build a profile. Once you are done creating a new account, you can now start sending money to your friends or member or your relatives across the world. So that is how you can easily sign up for Remitly in a quick, simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.